Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add address on Zara app. First of all, you can open the Zara application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can just simply now tap on OK. You will find the option that is profile, tap on it. Now you can just simply see the option addresses, tap on it. Make sure that you updated the latest version of Zara app. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now continue the video. You can just simply now tap on the option add another address in the bottom middle of the screen. Now you can just simply add your name and surname. Now you can just simply add the address, ship to, flat number and other all of the things field that is required, and now you can tap on save. And this is the way you can add addresses in Zara app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.